Well, Harry, what a test. What a game. It was a breathless game of football at times. What's the verdict after that one?
Yeah, obviously disappointed with the result. We never want to lose games. But yeah, I think there's a lot of positives to take. See, no one wants to play friendlies. Everybody wants a competitive game, but if we are going to have them, they're the type of friendlies you want. A good team, came, pressed well, allowed us to work on the things we want to do, the principles, the way we want to play, and like I said, it was a competitive game. Bit stop-start for my liking. I think a few decisions the ref maybe could have let go, but yeah, that was out of our hands. Yeah, they score a good free kick. We have a few chances, but I think we have to take the positives from the game.
Yeah, and I guess frustrating that the one goal in the end came from a set piece as well.
Yeah, feel like we pride ourselves on defending the set plays. I think from corners and wide free kicks we've been really good, but that's done a great strike from 20, 25, 30 yards, and sometimes that can happen when you're playing against good teams. I thought we reacted quite well, limited them to a few chances, especially in the second half, and maybe on another day we take one of ours.
It's been quite the week, 2 very different tests, 2 very different games. What do you feel as a collective you've learned? Because of course it's been a while since we all saw you just before the summer as well, Harry. So just how valuable has this week been, do you think? Yeah,
no, it's been, I think overall been a positive week. I mean, the difficult game out in Kazakhstan, we got the three points that we wanted. It was a really tricky game. See, they were a good team, made it difficult. See, with the travel, the pitch, and all that, it was kind of all against us. But I thought we dealt well with it. And then a tough test tonight. Like I said, disappointed with the result, but overall a good camp.
And to come now, Harry, next month, another friendly against England, and then what will be a huge World Cup qualifier against Belgium.
Yeah, massive camp. It's going to be a really tough game at Wembley against England. We know what a great team they are. And then like you said, the special nights in Cardiff will follow that. And we've got full belief that with the red ball behind us, we can do something special again.